So, how do you interact with the blockchain? Well, as a developer, oftentimes you use something that's called Web3.js. And Web3 is a very well known library that allows you as a developer to create an entryway into the blockchain, into what we would consider in our case, the Ethereum network. As a consumer, you enter it by using something called MetaMask. And MetaMask is an application, it's a Chrome browser extension that allows you to enter the blockchain. The other way is through a browser called Mist. Now, there's other ways that are being developed as consumers, and I'm only mentioning two of the ways that right now, of the more well known ways of MetaMask and Mist, but certainly there's other things that are in development. These two are important to understand, particularly as a consumer. One of the things you really want to be careful of is that if you are transacting with the internet, a lot of times there can be fake websites that say, hey, we're MetaMask or we're one of other these wallets. And what can happen is you can end up downloading this and it being what's called a scam. And unfortunately, a lot of the um, places like Google and Yahoo and so forth can't always get some of uh, these fraudulent sites to put down their ads. So it's really important before you type in your information, if you're installing MetaMask or one of these other browsers, to make sure that it is really authentic. And you can do that by Googling reliable sources, contacting user groups. If you just have any doubt, just be really careful about that. There's a lot of people that are putting their information into sites that might not be the authentic wallets, and they're having problems with their cryptocurrency disappearing. So, again, developers are going to use Web3 library, and consumers are going to use something called MetaMask or a browser like Mist.